Visa?
No, you don't. So if you do get a job offer, then you're absolutely fine to not take up PSW and just do straight into the skilled worker route, because if you want to apply for indefinite leave to remain, then that is the route to go. What jobs are considered skilled? So you would need to find this on the government website. They have a list of what is considered a skilled job, and they will have the salary requirements on there.
Then I would just say, if you think about you can work as maybe doctor, as a nurse, as a marketer, like a teacher,
sales,
yeah, anything.
IT.
But if you think about doing something like a waiters or something like part-time job, then that would not be a skill job, because if you think about like high skill job will be something that you need a degree in order to do the job. So I would say, if you have a master degree from another country and you want to apply for jobs in the UK, then the only route that you can apply for is the
skilled worker. So that will depend on the sponsor. You will need to find a company that can sponsor you with the working visa. So that will depend on the company that you want to work for.
Yeah,
I'm afraid. Yeah, we can't give you anything at the moment.
Yeah,
we can do the application for you, but as in like the visa application, but for you to find that job and to secure an offer from them, that will be entirely up to you.
Yeah, we can't really find a job for you. Obviously, no one can find a job for anyone.
It's all your own doing. Yes, you can. So they will need your CAS, and then as a student dependent, you will need to supply like your marriage certificate or your child's birth certificate, and plus like other financial documents as well. So we do offer student dependent visa services, but that is for an additional charge though, but we do offer it.
Yeah, so for all of the students who have the question about if you already get the offer letter from a university, but you want to have our support still will be completely free for you if you allow us to be the agent who support your application.
So if you are studying, so student visa, it's £470 per year. So if it's for like the skilled worker or the graduate route, it's £624 per year. So thank you for joining us today.
I hope that you find it useful, you find it informative to what you're studying in the UK.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.